Obaid, and today we are going to talk about atomic structure and chemical bondings. For today's lesson, we are mainly going to talk about the structure of atoms and the isotopes of an atom. So without any further delay, let's begin. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter which contain a nucleus where the protons and neutrons are located and the electrons are located in the electron shells, also known as orbits. Both protons and neutrons have a relative mass of 1, whereas the relative mass of electron is 1 by 1836. Protons have a positive charge and electrons have a negative charge, but neutron on the other hand has no charge at all, making it electrically neutral. The composition of protons, electrons, and neutrons in an atom can be determined from its proton number and its mass number. The atomic number is the same as the number of protons in an atom. The mass number can be calculated by adding up the atomic number with the number of neutrons in an atom. For an electrically neutral atom, the number of protons must be equal to the number of electrons. An atom can be presented using symbols. In a symbol, the upper left number represents the nucleon number and the lower left number represents the atomic number. For example, we have O for oxygen. Here the atomic number is 8, which is the same as the proton number, and the nucleon number is 16, and the number of neutrons is 8, which we will get by subtracting 8 from 16. And so if we wanted to draw the atomic structure of oxygen, it would look something like this, with 8 neutrons and protons in its nucleus and a total of 8 electrons in its electronic shells. Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is the way in which the electrons are arranged in the electronic shells of an atom. The energy levels, also known as the electron shells, can accommodate only definite number of electrons. For the first 20 electrons in the periodic table, the first energy shell can carry 2 electrons, while each of the rest can carry up to 8 electrons. For example, the electronic configuration of oxygen is 2 in the first electronic shell and 6 in the second electronic shell. The table here shows the proton number along with the electronic configuration of the first 20 elements in the periodic table. Isotopes of an element has the same number of protons and electrons but different number of neutrons, thus changing the nucleon number, which is also known as the mass number. The table here shows the isotopes of the 3 different elements known as hydrogen, carbon, and fluorine, along with the number of protons and the number of neutrons and the nucleon number as well as the number of electrons. That is all for today's video. Hope you liked it and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.